Welcome to your sanctuary of serenity. In this guided meditation video, we invite you to embark on a journey towards deep peace and tranquility. This session is designed to help you release stress, enhance mindfulness, and restore balance in your life. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced meditator, our soothing voice and calming visuals will guide you into a state of relaxation and inner harmony. What to expect, step-by-step guidance for a calming meditation experience, techniques to quiet the mind and embrace stillness, sounds of nature to enhance your meditation practice, tips for incorporating mindfulness into your daily routine, sparkles, benefits of guided meditation, reduces anxiety and promotes emotional well-being, improves focus and concentration, encourages self-reflection and personal growth, fosters a deeper connection to your inner self. Take a moment for yourself and join us in this peaceful meditation. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mindfulness content. Person in lotus position, find your peace, settle in a comfortable space, close your eyes, and allow the journey to unfold. Let go of your worries and embrace the tranquility that awaits you. Thank you for choosing this guided meditation. May you find the deep peace and tranquility you seek. #meditation, #guided meditation, #peace, #mindfulness, #relaxation, #inner peace.